Hi friends, let's look at today's some of the important news. This is Dinesh Haria. Delhi government has announced weekend curfew as well as closure of malls to control the spread of coronavirus. Infosys, which is one of the leading IT company in India, has announced good results for the quarter ending March 2021. This means India's three leading companies, that is Tata Consulting Services, Infosys, and now Wipro has announced good results for the quarter ending March 2021. That shows the IT industry is doing well under current pandemic conditions and they will continue to grow in future also. World Steel Association has projected that steel demand in India will increase by 19.8% current year compared to the worldwide growth projected at 5.8%. Flipkart, which is one of the leading online company, has announced that they will take over Cleartrip, which is one of the leading online travel company. Hence, they will diversify into the travel also. Indian stock market has shown that yesterday BSE Sensex closed 260 points above the previous day's closing. That means there is a rebound in the Indian stock market also. USA, the production has seen rebound as well as the demand in the retail sector is also picking up. That means US economy is also coming to a normal in future. Bajaj Auto, which is one of the leading two-wheeler and three-wheeler manufacturers in India, has announced 2 days back a booking of Chetak electric scooter. Yesterday evening, they announced the stopping of this booking since they got substantial booking in last 2 days. Hence, they will again start booking after few days. This shows that demand for electrical vehicle is going to be going up in India also in future. People will change over from the conventional petroleum and diesel vehicle to electrical vehicle. So their future is good in the electrical vehicle in India, and India has got a substantial manufacturing base in automobile, and most of the manufacturers are trying to diversify into manufacturing electrical vehicle also. This means again in future India may become one of the major automobile manufacturing hub in the world. Exports in the month of March has increased by 70%, which is again a very good sign. Mutual fund industry has received systematic investment plan, total investment of 96 crore during the year, that is from 1st April 2020 to 31st March 2021. This is in spite of the corona pandemic which was there in the last year. This amount is 4% lower than the earlier year, when the earlier year they have got 1 lakh crore systematic investment plan investment. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.